Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today let us see how to do vegetable rolls. For this, take one medium-sized onion and finely chop them. It has to be like this. Next we need a half a cup of grated paneer or cottage cheese. It has to be finely grated like this. A handful of coriander leaves finely chopped. You can also add some 3 to 4 mint leaves. It will give a nice flavor. These are cooked potatoes. You can use 1 or 2 boiled potatoes for this. This is 1 carrot and around 7 to 8 beans. This is also finely chopped and cooked. You can either boil the carrots and beans in water or you can use a steamer for this. Along with these ingredients, we need some masalas. Half a teaspoon of pepper powder. Half a teaspoon of chaat masala. Half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Fried cumin powder will taste so good than the raw one. To this, let us add the required amount of salt and give everything a nice mix. This is ready. Now take a small ball out of it and shape it. Do the same for the rest of the vegetable mixture. Now take some water in a plate. Take some bread slices and cut the corners. Take a bread, dip it in water and immediately squeeze it. This will make the bread flat and easy to roll. Now place some vegetable mixture in the center of the bread and roll it tightly. Squeeze excess water if any. Roll this in breadcrumbs. So here all the rolls are ready to be fried. Fry this in hot oil and in medium flame until it is golden brown. The rolls are ready, we can take it out now. This will be so good when it is served with the tomato ketchup. Our vegetable rolls are ready. Next we are going to do a quick pizza with bread. We need 8 slices of wheat bread for this. Here I have taken 4. We need to cut 2 of its edges like this. Now let us cross cut this perfectly. You have to shape it like this. One side it has to be small, the other side it has to be big. After this, you have to cut the edges of the smaller side. So here the bread slices are ready. We have to deal with the other 4 now. All the slices are ready. It is totally 8 slices. Now take a tawa, apply some butter on it. Now take a bread slice and place it like this. We are going to overlap the bread, so apply some milk on the edges and then place the other bread. The milk will help the bread to stick with one another. Do the same for all the breads. This is ready, and for the center we are going to place a round shaped bread. Apply some milk and then place it. Press well to get an even shape. Our base here is ready. Next is pizza sauce. The video link for how to prepare the pizza sauce is given in the description. If you want, you can click it. And now the toppings. You can top it with onions, tomatoes and whatever you like. I'm topping it with some onions, tomatoes, and some fried paneer. Finally, top it with some mozzarella cheese and place a tawa on the flame. Cover it and cook in low flame till the cheese melts. This is ready. Now let us top it with oregano and chili flakes. Our next recipe is bread bites. For this I am going to use 4 bread slices. I am using wheat bread here and you can use any type of bread. Next, grate some mozzarella cheese and keep it ready. Cheese is ready. Now let us spread this on the bread. Spread some chili flakes over this and some oregano. Close them tight with another slice of bread. This should not come out, so press this tight and cut them into pieces. If we cook like this, the cheese will definitely come out, so we are going to give some coating for this. For the coating, I am going to use corn flour here, so 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Add enough water and make a thin batter. The batter is ready. Now let us coat the bread. Make sure all the sides are coated well. Now roll it on the breadcrumbs and make sure it is perfectly coated. If you don't have breadcrumbs, just toast the bread, powder it and use it. And the one more option is you can powder the rusk and use it instead of breadcrumbs. So our bread pieces are ready. Now spread some ghee on a hot tawa. Here we are going to toast the bread pieces, and if you want to deep fry, you can also do that. Turn all the sides and cook properly until it is golden brown. If you want, you can add some more ghee. So here our bread bites are ready, we can take it out. This you can do it very quick, like 10 minutes, but the kids will definitely love it. Our cheesy bread bites are ready. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.